Let's do a few simple operations with powers of 10. Supposing if I take 100 times 1,000, well, I think you know what that is. That's a 100,000. Let's look at this as a power of 10. So if we take 10 to the second times 10 to the third, what you get then is going to be 10 to the fifth. In other words, the rule is when we multiply powers of 10, we add the exponents. Similarly, if we do 1,000, do 1,000 divided by 100, you're going to have 10 to the third over 10 to the second, and you get 10 to the first. In other words, the rule is if you're going to divide powers of 10, you're going to subtract the exponents. Now, take a look at this. Supposing if we were to do 1,000 divided by 1,000, that would give you, well, that would give you 1, but that would also give you 10 to the third over 10 to the third, which, the rule for dividing powers of 10 is that we subtract the exponents, so 3 minus 3 is going to be equal to 10 to the 0. Again, that's going to be equal to 1. That leads to a more general rule that anything to the 0th power is equal to 1. Well, let's try now. If we did, let's say 1 divided by 10 to the 5th. Well, 1 is the same thing as 10 to the 0 divided by 10 to the 5th. The rule for division is that we subtract the exponent. 0 minus 5 is minus 5. So we get 10 to the minus 5th. Similarly, if you were to do 1 over 10 to the minus 6, that's going to be equal to 10 to the 0 over 10 to the minus 6. That's going to be equal to 10 to the 0 minus a minus 6, or 10 to the 6. So we have something like 1 over 10 to the 7th. That's going to be equal to 10 to the minus 7th. Similarly, 1 over 10 to the minus 8th is going to be equal to 10 to the 8th. Now, consider this. Supposing if I have a unit, centimeter to the minus 1 power. Well, what's that equal to? That's the same thing as saying 1 over centimeters. Or second to the minus 2 power is going to be equal to 1 over second squared. Or if we have something like a meter times a second to the minus 2 power, that's going to be the same thing as meters per second squared. Let's just take a look at powers of 10 to a power. So if we have 10 to the 4th, and let's cube that, that's really the same thing as 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 4th times 10 to the 4th. When we multiply powers of 10, we add the exponents, so that's 10 to the 12th. In other words, when we have a power of 10 to a power, we're going to multiply the exponents. A few simple rules for powers of 10.